So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your saved sounds on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on View All next to Playlists. Once you tap View All, you'll see a playlist specifically for sounds saved from YouTube Shorts. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to see all your saved sounds. Now, if you want to use any of these sounds in your own shorts, here's what you need to do. Open the YouTube app again and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Next, tap on Create a Short. At the top, you'll see the Add Sound option. Tap on it. Now, select Saved, and here you can choose any of the sounds you've already saved. That's it. You can now use your saved sounds in your YouTube Shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy tutorials.